Good morning, students. Today we start our new chapter, Trigonometry. Chapter number 8, Trigonometry. It's a new concept for you. So please read the chapter carefully. Whatever I will explain here, listen the videos twice and try to understand the concept of trigonometry. Actually, trigonometry word comes from the Greek word that is tri, gon and metron. Tri means three, gons means sides, metron means measure. Three sides measure. And we know that in a triangle we have three sides. So actually trigonometry is a studied about the relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle, right? So here in this chapter we will discuss about some ratios of sides of a right angle triangle only. Listen carefully. We will restrict our study for a right angle triangle only. Understand? So let's start the relationship between the sides and the angles of a right angle triangle, right? Here it is A, B and C. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So what about angle A and C? Angle A and C are acute angles because by angle sum property, angle A plus C is equal to 90 degree. Understand? So A and C are here what? Acute angles. And here in this chapter, we will establish the relationship between these acute angles and the ratios of these sides AB, BC and AC. As you all know that in a right angle triangle, this is a hypotenuse. The longest side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. This is base and this is perpendicular. Yes or no? We all know that. Now, here we introduce some ratios, that is sine theta. What is theta here? Theta represents an angle, acute angle. Either it may be angle A or it may be angle C. We will establish the relationship between the angle and the sides of a right angle triangle here for angle A as well as angle C. So what is theta here? Theta is a angle. Theta represents angle. Okay. Now what is sine theta, cos theta and tan theta? It's a new term for you. So don't panic as you read the further study sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. And again the three ratios are there: sine, cos, tan, cosec, cot and sec. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Cosec, sec, cot. These six ratios. Actually three are there and rest of the threes are reciprocal of these three respectively. I will explain you one by one. Right? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. These six ratios we will discuss here, how the sides and angles are relative to each other. Now, for this angle A, here we assume that this is angle theta. So for this angle, this is the opposite side. This opposite. Look at here. For this angle, BC is the opposite side, and this one is adjacent side. Yes or no? For this angle theta, AB is adjacent because theta is attached by AB, and for this theta, BC is opposite sides, right? So what is sine theta? Sine theta is always opposite upon hypo. remember, opposite upon hypo. This is the standard relationship for sin theta. Opposite upon hypo. It means what is sin theta here? BC upon AC. BC upon AC. Understand? Now, what is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent upon hypo. Adjacent upon hypo. It means what? AB upon AC. AB upon AC. Understand? Now, what is tan theta? Tangent. Tan theta is always opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent. Tan theta is also known as the ratio of sine upon cos. We will discuss further. What is tan theta? Sine upon cos. Sine theta upon cos theta. Look at here. Sine theta upon cos theta. Hypotenuse opposite upon adjacent. It means what? BC upon AB. If you remember only sine theta and cos theta, you can calculate rest of the four. How? Look, because tan theta is also sine theta upon cos theta. Understand? What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. Reciprocal of the sine theta. Sine theta and cosec theta are reciprocal to each other. Sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So what will we get here? Hypo upon opposite. Hypo upon opposite. Reciprocal of sine. Or we can write AC upon BC. AC upon BC. Similarly, sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. 1 upon cos theta. Understand? Cos theta, sec theta is a reciprocal of, so what we have? Hypo upon adjacent. Or we can write AC upon AB. Understand? Similarly, what is cot theta? Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, 1 upon tan theta. We can write here cot theta, cot theta, 1 upon tan theta. Or we can write what? Adjacent upon opposite. Or we can write AB upon BC. Again we can write cos theta upon sin theta. Cos theta upon sin theta. So students, here we discussed about the ratios, 6 ratios: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. If you remember only sin theta and cos theta, you will calculate tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. How? Because sin theta is opposite upon hypo. Remember, opposite upon hypo is sin theta. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypo. Adjacent upon hypo. This is a very simple calculation. Understand? Now, if we talk about the next relationship, if theta is here, if theta is in this triangle, we have let theta here. If we talk about the angle C, and if theta is C, right? So what will the hypo is remain unchanged, but opposite is what? Is here adjacent, because for theta BC is adjacent, and for theta this AB is opposite. For this theta, what is opposite here? So whenever we calculate angle C, for angle C, sin C, cos C, tan C, here we calculate sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, right? For angle A. Now if we calculate for angle C, for this angular angle, here the little bit change, interchange the opposite and adjacent side, right? Understand? So if we talk about sin C, angle C, or we can say sin C for this angle. What is sin? Opposite upon hypotenuse. What is opposite? AB upon hypo AC. Understand what I am saying? Opposite upon hypo. What is opposite? Opposite upon hypo. Similarly, cos C adjacent upon hypo. BC upon AC. BC upon AC for this angle, right? What is tan theta? Tan C. What is tan C? Opposite upon adjacent. AB upon BC, and you can calculate similarly. So keep in your mind, for this theta, this BC is opposite side and AB is adjacent side. For this angle C, AB is opposite side and BC is adjacent side. Understand? So in the next video we will discuss how we calculate the sides if the some ratios are given or some values are given for a side. Thanks.